Inflation has already hit your grocery list and certainly your gas tank. And with Halloween less than a week out, candy prices are now equally frightening. According to data company Clover, many of your favorite Halloween classics are up, well, more than 10% this year. Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, the GOAT, were up 14% this year. A Hershey's bar is up 15%. Bag of Skittles up 10%. Kinder chocolate eggs are up 16%. And Twizzlers up 9%. Shrinkflation, also part of the equation as well, with manufacturers downsizing products as ingredients, labor, and transportation costs have skyrocketed. In this case, look, they could probably a lot of pricing power here. Those are inflation, recession proof. We're going to pay whatever they do.
Yeah, exactly. I don't think people have a lot of choice, especially if you want trick-or-treaters for Halloween. If it's not just for yourself, if you're looking to give it out, you have to pay, or you're more inclined to pay, I think, those higher prices. When you take a look at the overall spending that we're expected to see on candy this Halloween, it's expected to reach an all-time high of $3.1 billion. We've talked about in the past a record $10.6 billion could potentially be spent on Halloween this year. Dave, you mentioned peanut butter cups as the GOAT, greatest of all time. I do agree with you on that. Number two.
Glad we can agree on that.
Across the U.S., the second favorite, and you agree, and we also agree with the rest of America. It came in at number one. Second top favorite, Skittles, M&M's at 3. Hot tamales, though, number 5. Kind of took me a little bit by surprise, but when you take a look at these types of prices here, more and more expensive, maybe people aren't going to be curtailing their spending as we head into Halloween. Post-Halloween, though, we could potentially see a big drop in candy sales. The
real test is, what do you hand out? Do you go full size? Because I know Halloween is big in your hood.
It is really big in my hood.
You guys decorate to the nines.
You know, yeah. My husband will probably want to give out the full-size candy bars, knowing him. I'm probably going to have to rein it in just a little bit, especially with these prices. It's not the most financially sound advice, you know?
Yeah, so we're always out trick-or-treating. We leave it out with the bucket. The first 2 kids show up. They empty it into their bag. And
it's all downhill from there.